Hi, Dr. Stern here, and today I'm going to teach you about meditation and sleep. Now, meditation is so incredible for so many things. It helps increase your focus, your concentration. Numerous scientific studies show that it helps the body in so many ways. But I'm going to teach you about meditation and sleep today. Now, why is meditation so good for sleep? Number one, it increases relaxation. The parasympathetic nervous system is what is responsible to get your body to calm down and for you to feel relaxed. Meditation is a wonderful way to do that. Number two, meditation decreases cortisol and it increases melatonin, and that's what helps you fall and stay asleep. At nighttime, your cortisol levels should go down and your melatonin levels should go up. Too often, due to our stressful lifestyles, our cortisol levels stay elevated in the evening time, and this is what suppresses the melatonin. So to get a great night's sleep, you need to naturally decrease those cortisol levels, and meditation is an amazing way to do that. Now, how do we meditate? That's what I'm going to teach you today. Here's my 5-step plan to get great meditation. Number one, find a quiet place. That's really important. No technology, no cell phones, no TVs, nothing that can turn on and disrupt your meditation, disrupt your ability to stay nice and peaceful. Number two, make sure that you have a timer that's not electronic. Don't use your cell phone as a timer because that might come on, or someone might text you, or you might get a phone call. That will throw off your whole meditation. Number three, find a comfortable position to sit in or even lay down. Now, I know technically people like to say when you meditate you have to sit in a certain way. I don't think so. My whole focus for you is to relax, feel comfortable, and make sure that your body is in a good position that you could be in for at least 10 to 20 minutes. So if you're sitting there and you're uncomfortable, it's really going to distract from your ability to stay relaxed, peaceful, and get into a good meditative state. Number four, pick a mantra, or you could focus on your breath. So when you're meditating, the whole goal is to focus on one thing. A mantra is either a statement or some type of word that you choose that you want to concentrate on for those 10 to 20 minutes. Also, you could focus on your breath. When breathing, either way, you want to make sure that you're breathing in through your nose, nice and easy, and out through your mouth. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to have a flood of thoughts coming into your head. So let's say you pick a mantra like, I am peaceful, or you're just focusing on your breath coming in and out. Either way, as you're focusing on that, you're going to be thinking about the emails you need to check. You're going to be thinking about what you need to do for your job. You're going to be thinking about all these things that you need to take care of. Do not emotionalize that. Allow them to come in and just push them to the side. That's the beauty of meditation. There's no right way or wrong way. There's no I'm good at meditation or I'm not good at meditation. It's just an exercise to teach you how to stay focused on one thought. So if you're meditating in the morning, it's a great way to relax, calm your system down, and get your body ready for the day. But for sleeping time, when you meditate at night, you're going to see wonderful benefits again at decreasing your cortisol, boosting that parasympathetic nervous system, relaxing your body, and helping facilitate you to get a great night's sleep, okay? So I hope this information helps on your way to better health. I'll be seeing you soon. Have an amazing day.